misleading graphs is our next lesson, and these are graphs that quite often are used to make a product or profits of a company look more pleasing. And the way the graph can be misleading is by not having a scale, that's one of the key ones, or only showing part of the scale, or having an uneven scale, or not correctly identifying where 0 is. And a lot of companies can do this and can show this in different ways, and when you look at the data a lot closer, you can see that actually that graph is very misleading to the consumer to make their product look better. The other thing we're going to look at is types of data. And there are two main types of statistical data. You have categorical and numerical, and these can then be broken into two different subcategories within themselves. So categorical is based on the categories, and it can be divided into two groups. So you have ordinal, which means the categorical data is ordered, so like high, medium, low, something like that. And then you have nominal data, which cannot be ordered. So as it says here, like a country of birth, it's just a piece of information. The second type of data is numerical, and that is represented by numbers, and can be again divided into our two groups. You have discrete data, which is your counting numbers and separate values, and then continuous, which is measured, so like someone's temperature. So you can see the nice little flow chart here of how data is spread out. So your categorical, and then ordinal and nominal, and numerical, which is discrete and continuous. So if we have a look at the examples here, classify each of the following types of data as categorical or numerical, and then depending on which one it is, either ordinal, nominal, or discrete, continuous. So the colour of a person's hair, that is descriptive or a category. So we get categorical. And from that, if we look at that, it is a nominal piece of information. The second one is the amount of petrol, so that is a number value, so that is our numerical. And then we need to determine if it's discrete or continuous. And because it is something that is measured, so we measure the liquid in relation to capacity, that is where it becomes continuous. C is shoe size. Again, it's a number, so numerical. And because your shoe size is a direct number, that makes it discrete. And the last one here is report grades. So these are categorical. So if you get an A, B, C, etc., that is categorical. And because then we talk about A, B, C, and so on, that is ordered. So it's an ordinal piece of data.